Hi guys, I am so excited to announce the amazing collaboration by my incredible sister Huda with Ipsy, which is going to be shipping out in November. And guys, Huda has curated some of her favorite products for this box, and there's also some other options for you guys to choose from, but there are some incredible goodies in here, and they're all full size, amazing, beautiful beauty products that are gonna change your life. So there are gonna be 5 items that are based on your preferences and 3 items that you get to choose yourself. And today I'm gonna show you 8 of my items in my amazing box. So the first product I'm gonna share with you guys is from an amazing brand called This Works. And this is their rose water and mint infused pads that gently remove your makeup and daily pollution. It's called In Transit, No Traces. So you have this amazing, super generous jar. So we have these pre-soaked pads that make it really easy for people who are on the go, super busy. You can put it in your bag. The next product I'm gonna share with you guys is by our incredible, amazing, beautiful soul, Selena Gomez. And this is her brand, Rare, which I'm a huge fan of. So this is their Empathy lip balm, and this is super hydrating, very plumping. It's called With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. So creamy, so hydrating. So the next product you guys are gonna get is my baby, Kayali, and this is Vanilla 28 in our 50 ml bottle. And honestly guys, Huda couldn't have picked a better fragrance for you guys. The Vanilla 28 is our best seller. It's from collection 1, but literally I've never received so many compliments on a fragrance in my entire life. Like, people DM me nonstop. They DM the Kayali page just telling us like how much they love this fragrance. Oh my God, it is literally gonna make you feel like a piece of cake. It's like the best. And I do believe in layering. If you guys have watched me before, you know how much I love layering perfumes. This is the perfect icing to your cake. Like, this can be worn with every fragrance. It just makes it smell sweeter, tastier, more delicious. So if you're a vanilla lover, you're gonna love this. So the next product I'm gonna share with you guys is by R&Co, and it's the Velvet Curtain. And this is a really amazing textured balm that you can put at the ends of your hair or even use on all of your hair when you're styling it. And it just kind of helps you build that texture, and also just helps your hair look a little bit more shiny. So the next product we're gonna talk about is by PMD, and this is their Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And it's really cool. As you see, it comes with a little stand, so you can use it and put it by your bathroom, and every time you wash your face, you can just quickly grab it. And what I love about these devices compared to ones I used in the past is just the material. It's very easy to really sterilize and wash. You clean it, it's done, it's brand new. And so if you guys don't know this, it vibrates, so it really helps you kind of like get into your skin and just really cleanse your face. And the next product we're gonna talk about is by my sister, Huda. So this is from Huda Beauty, and this is one of my favorite Huda Beauty products because I feel like it's one of the most versatile products that we have out there that really works for everyone. This is our Glow Coco Hydrating Mist. So I'm just gonna spray my face now. Oh my God, because it's like coconut scented, and it smells so good, very relaxing, very refreshing. Putting this in your refrigerator and just spraying yourself throughout the day is like one of the best feelings ever. I always do this when I go to the beach. I literally take it and I put it in like our ice box full of like waters and drinks and stuff, and I take it out and I spray myself and I feel like refreshed, reborn. This is amazing. You guys are gonna love it. So the next product we're gonna talk about is from The Organic Pharmacy, and this is their Honey and Jasmine Mask, and it's for firming and moisturizing your skin. And this is something that you should apply on your skin usually at the end of the night after you cleanse your face. You can put on a nice generous amount and just leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, and it really helps reduce redness and just hydrates your skin. And the last product is this Ipsy bag that's got like a velvety finish. It's like this burgundy velvet and a nice little handle here so you can hold your bag in different ways, and it has enough space to fit most of your products when you're on the go, so check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little product reveal. If you guys want to try my picks, go for it. I do think it's an amazing offer, and Huda really put a lot of effort into this curation, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Love you guys so much. Bye.